Hey everybody, remember that hive that I moved last week? Well, today I'm going to open it up for the first time. I don't know what to expect, but I know there's a lot of bees in there. Yeah. Then you wanted your... So these are the supers, full of honey. Just got about probably $100 worth of honey out of the deal. They're actually pretty calm. All right, every one of these hive bodies is jam-packed full of bees. This one obviously has honey all through it. Here's the baseboard full of bees. Here's another super full of honey and honeycomb. And then here's another hive body full of bees. I mean, these bees have really gone crazy. So it's a good, strong hive. I don't even think we're gonna look for the queen. We're just gonna put it back together and we'll try to split it, separate it out a little later. No. Should have blue. Probably the queen, because she tends to go up to the highest part. I mean, I would bet. All right, my buddy Nick is just cleaning off that burr comb, that extra comb, before we put it back together. And we can use that wax to make candles and all sorts of stuff.